Want to keep up with Reddit without refreshing the site? Here's how you can create an RSS feed from any subreddit or search query in less than a minute. No code required. First, open the subreddit or run a search for the keyword you want to follow, and copy the link. Open RSS.app, paste the link into the generator, and click Generate. Your feed will appear instantly. Save it to your account. From here, you can use our built-in translate feature to automatically translate Reddit posts into 30+ languages, or translate via DeepL by adding your API key. You can also refine the feed with advanced filters, hide posts without images, include or exclude keywords, and even modify text. Want to display the Reddit posts on your site? Use pre-built widgets like a news wall or ticker that update every time the feed does. No setup required. Just copy the embed code and paste it into your site. You can also share the feed as an XML link and even feed it into third-party services like Make.com and Zapier to automate your workflows. That's it. Create your Reddit RSS feed with RSS app today.